and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool gradient text effect on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in gradient. You can type in anything that you want, and you can also choose any font that you want. Make sure it's bold though, because it's important. I'm going to select this lavender color for the inside, and then I'm going to add in stroke, and I'm also going to choose a different color for that, maybe this yellow one. Copy and paste and choose another different set of color. So I'm going to go with this pink, and I'm going to go with this blue, then I'm going to go with another different set of color. I'm going to go with this green, then I'm going to go with this that's like orange maybe, yeah. Then I'll choose one more set of color. Oops. Let me just choose the darker one. Actually, I like that one. So I'm just gonna copy and paste that. I'm gonna choose, let's see, this kind of red. And for the outside color, I'm going to choose this. So you're just going to right click, create compound clip on them separately. And here's where the fun part begins. I'm just going to move this to the side so I can see. Go to mask and select horizontal and either split it this way or halfway. I'm going to split it halfway for now, and I'm going to feather that out. Then I'm going to add this one, and I'm going to select the horizontal one, and I'm going to split it this way, and I'm going to then feather that out. Then I'm going to add this. I'm going to then split it this way, feather it out, and I'm just going to then right click, create I already compound clip it. Hold on, let me just see what I can do. I think I'm just going to use the rectangle one because I want to create this for gradient type of thing. So yeah, that should be it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.